When I was a kid, there was no such thing as a seatbelt. There was no seatbelt. My mother was the safety device in our car. How many of you remember that? You see, it's all across the audience. I see people doing it. You know, my mom, she'd even let me stand on the front seat. If there was an accident, she'd save me. You remember that? Oh! Thousands were injured by their mother's arm. That's why I loved riding with Grandma, because Grandma had that thing under her arm forerunner to the airbag thing. Oh, you smell like Noxemo for a couple.